Hello, I'm Dorinda. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dorinda Style. On my YouTube channel, I offer sewing projects for the home, as well as sewing projects for yourself, your family, and your friends. Today's project involves making these beautiful facial pads that you see sitting here before me. It only takes a few minutes to make the facial pads, and women and men like the facial pads, so don't leave men out when you're thinking about the type of gifts that you want to give to your friends. The supplies that you see before me, most of them came from the Dollar Tree, so this is a very inexpensive gift that you can make to give to your family and your friends, or you may want to make some for yourself and keep them. If you like what you see today, please hit the like button and subscribe so that you know when I upload a new video. And thank you for watching. To complete this project, you will need the following items: a pair of scissors, 4 inches of terry cloth fabric, as well as 4 inches of flannel fabric. I purchased both my flannel and my terry cloth from my local fabric store, and they are both 100% cotton. You will need a mesh bag to place your soil facial pads in once you have used them. That way they will not get lost in the washer or the dryer. And as you could tell from my mesh bags that I got from the Dollar Tree, it comes in a set of 3. So in reality, I only spent about 34 cents for my mesh bags from the Dollar Tree. Thread, a 3-inch circle. You can download the 3-inch circle from my website, dorindastyle.com, or you can make your own. And this is a good time for me to talk about the fabric. If you're going to use a fabric that has a design in it, you want to make sure that when you cut it out, that you put your pattern in the middle of that design. You do not want to place it on the edge or anywhere other than that. Make sure you put it in the middle. Even if you have to buy 6 or 7 inches of fabric in order to place your design in the middle, then that's what you should do. You also need a box or a bag to put your gift in once you have completed your project. This particular gift box here came from the Dollar Tree, and it was only $1. You need a jar to store your facial pads in, the clean ones. I purchased this glass jar from the Dollar Tree. I like it. It has a top on it. Very nice. My sister has a Cricut, so she graciously volunteered to do the letters for me, facial pads. Those are all the supplies you will need for this project. And as you could tell, if you were adding it up as we were going along, I already had the thread. But in total, my whole project is only going to cost about $5, because my fabrics, the flannel was less than $1, the terry cloth less than $1, 34 cents for the bag. I already had the thread, $1 for the glass jar, and $1 for the box. So you have a very nice gift to give to your family and your friends, and you've only spent around $5. Flannel is used because it is very soft and the terry cloth side is absorbent. I use the flannel side for washing my face and the terry cloth side if I want to scrub or exfoliate my skin. To begin sewing your reusable facial pads, take 1 flannel and 1 terry cloth circle. Put the wrong sides together and sew around the circle close to the edge. You can use your presser foot as a guide. Continue to sew around the circle until your stitches overlap. This is what it's going to look like when you finish that step. Next, change your width to 6.5 and your length to 0.8. After you've changed your zigzag stitch, place your circle under your presser foot and you're going to zigzag very close to the edge all the way around. Back stitch. When you finish, it's going to look like this. This is one of the finished facial pads. Continue to make pads until you have finished making all of them. You can also use your serger to finish your edges. Here's a picture of the difference in the two stitches. Both are simple to do and do not take long to complete. Here are some other samples of ones I've made. I made this one square using my serger and used terry cloth on both sides. I used the zigzag stitch on the white ones you're looking at now, and I used terry cloth on both sides. Flannel is a soft, thin, and smooth fabric. It can be used to wash your face, but it can also be used to apply your skincare products, such as toner. The terry cloth side can be used to scrub your face as well as to exfoliate your skin. All you have to do now is to wrap your present with your Dollar Tree boxes or bags and give it to your family and friends. No matter the cost, the perfect present can lift someone's mood or simply remind a loved one that you care. I hope you enjoyed making your facial pads as much as I enjoyed making mine. Thank you for watching, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe so that you will know when I upload a new video.